everyone, and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm so excited because today I am reviewing a slime package from Sparkle and Slime on Instagram. It's Christy's slime shop. You can go check her out on Instagram, you can check her out on YouTube, and you can check out her slime shop. I will link all of those down below for you. On her channel, she is reviewing one of my slime packages, Rainbow Playmaker. Let's do a collab. You know, you open my package, I'll open your package, and we thought that would be a fun video for you guys and just a good collab to do because she's pretty awesome. Some people think I'm pretty awesome, so we can just all be awesome together. This is It's Christy's Sparkle and Slime by Kay shop on Etsy. I think she has better reviews than me, or we might be the same, but she's highly rated. Her shop is super pretty and all decked out for Valentine's Day. This is her YouTube channel, so be sure you head on over there and hit that subscribe button because she has some amazing videos and content. Let's get started. Let's get started. So here is the package that I got from It's Christy. Okay, so, this is a cute package. It's just like extras, candy, looks like a stamp. Then I love her sticker, her label. Or her logo is super cute. So I got some borax, information on how to fix the slime. And it's been so long since I purchased from her that I don't even remember what I purchased. so I'm excited to see what I got. All right, so I'm going to set the candy aside and I'm going to get down to the slime. Okay. So everything came nicely bubble wrapped, which is good. It doesn't look like anything happened. So this one is Berry Blast and Sparkle and Slime. Nice, nice, nice. I'm so excited. Right away I noticed the smell. It's such a good smell. It's like a berry. It reminds me of a berry like cereal. I don't know if it's supposed to be a cereal type smell, but it smells really good. So I love the little foam beads in it, the colors. Super nice and very stretchy. I love stretchy slimes. The quality is just really nice. I like the little bubbles that form. Good job with this one. And this is so nice because I don't sell anything like this slime in my shop. Like my slimes are completely different than this, which is kind of neat too. But the color, the scent, everything is spot on with this one. Very nice. Okay, let's move into the next one. Seems like it inflated a little too as I was playing with it. So, see, it's like, all right, so I'll set that just aside to see if it can all go back in, but that's cool too. All right, on to the next. The next one, now I ordered these before Christmas, so candy cane twist. Smells so good. It smells just like candy canes. like a cloud texture. So nice. Now this has been sitting for over a month and I did nothing to it, and this is how it came out. So that's pretty cool. Super stretchy. Oh, love it. You guys hear that? The sizzle? I want you guys to hear that. Do you guys hear that? Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle. I love sizzles in slime, and this one sizzles. I could just do this all day, seriously. Sizzle. Okay, moving on to the next one. This one inflated too. Next one. You are probably going to enjoy It's Christy's video opening mine way more. Not because of the slimes, but because of her nails. She actually takes care of her nails and they always look super beautiful. Unlike me, as you know, but anyways. This one is Gingerbread Sugar Cookie. I smelled the cap. Oh, it smells so good. Oh. This is like a cloud again texture. Look how neat that is. I'm just gonna pull it out. See how nice it comes out too? Super clean. I mean, this is like really good quality. I mean, can you guys believe this has been sitting for a month? Oh, this smells so good. This one is sizzly too. We'll just call Sparkle and Slime Shop the master of the sizzle. It's Christy does a really good job. I don't even know how she does that. I don't know if it's like a combo of adding clear glue or very nice. I love this one too. Inflated just a little. Okay. And, sadly, my last one. Okay. This one is Cotton Candy Fluff. And again, her beautiful sticker, Sparkle and Slime. All right, so this one has two different colors. Whoa. You guys see that? No joke. Nice cotton candy smell. This one has the sizzle too. I love the sizzle. And once you mix it together, it has this pretty light purple color. Let me know in the comments section, have you purchased from ITSKRISTII before, Sparkle and Slime? Let me know. And do you love it? All the slimes that I have here today are amazing. They all have a beautiful texture. They're different than mine. It's like, I actually have to start buying from shops, I decided, just to see. It's like art, really. It's like art masterpiece. Like everyone does it a little different, adds their own twist on things, sense, and I think that's really cool that everyone's different. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Thank you so much, ITSKRISTII. I don't know why I keep calling you ITSKRISTII. I guess I could just say thank you, Christy. Thank you, Sparkle and Slime. This was awesome and so much fun to do. So we like those thumbs up. Give the thumbs up. Thank you to ITSKRISTII for doing this collab with me. This was a lot of fun. And I think that's about it. That's about it. The slime package is opened and it was great. It was great. It was great. And I loved it. And I loved it. And I hope she loved mine too. I hope she loved mine too. Because I don't know, I didn't watch her video yet, but I'm headed over there now. Follow me. Come on. Let's go together. Let's see how many people we could get on ITSKRISTII's video right now. Let's boost that video up and like the video, and make sure when you go over there, tell her that you came from my video. So comment, I don't know, just comment hashtag Rainbow Playmaker or hashtag slime in her comment section to let her know that you came from my channel. All right, guys, I will see you next time on the other side of the slime rainbow. Go enter my giveaway. You still have to the end of the month to enter my giveaway. I am giving away $100 worth of slime supplies. So I will link that video down below. You want to go check it out and see how you can enter. You can get extra entries for, it's like stuff. You can get extra entries for sending a friend over to my channel and having them enter, like, subscribe to my channel. And also on Instagram, hashtag slimy over there. So there's a few ways you can get extra entries. So be sure to check out that video after you watch this video. And that's about it.